Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to change font to normal. First, select the text you want to normalize. Look for the Clear All Formatting button, often represented by an eraser icon, and click it. This action removes any bold, italic, or other special formatting. Then, choose a standard font such as Calibri or Arial, usually at 11 or 12 point size, to ensure a clean, consistent look. For quick standardization, highlight the text you want to format. On the Home tab of your word processor, locate the Styles group. Within this group, you will find a Normal Style option. Clicking this will instantly apply the default paragraph style, which typically uses a standard font and size, ensuring your text is consistent with the rest of your document. To ensure all new documents start with your preferred font, open the Font dialog box from the Home tab. Here, you can select your desired font, size, and color. After making your selections, click the Set as Default button. Choose the option to apply these changes to all documents based on the normal template to make your chosen font the standard for future creations. Sometimes, font issues arise from pasted content carrying its own hidden formatting. To fix this, try pasting as plain text. The Format Painter tool is excellent for copying a desired style from one section and applying it to another, ensuring consistency. Always remember to save your document frequently, perhaps every 5 to 10 minutes, to prevent losing any of your carefully applied formatting changes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.